Several viewers, so many viewers sent us in their pictures after the snow overnight.
MURLENE GRUIS took this photo of a cardinal looking very defined by the white background there. Beautiful red cardinal. Thank you so much, MURLENE.
Mark Pedersen snapped this picture of his deck in Buffalo last night. Looking good with the Christmas lights all out.
Very festive. CARISSA KAHNKE sent us this picture of a twins-themed snowman.
That's nice work. They used every ounce of
Yes,
snow in their
did.
front yard to get that done. Very nice. How about DODIE RADLOFF? This picture from Lakefield. Just a beautiful, beautiful scene.
You love a patio pic.
I do.
Well, Stephanie sent us 2 pictures of her 4-year-old St. Bernard named Lambo. She says he loves all the snow. Dogs are just having a ball with it.
Oh, you get to roll around, get your nose down in there. Barbara Holmes in Nerstrand says the first snow of the year was perfect for building a snowman. They got a little more snow in Nerstrand, that's for sure. It's her 2-year-old grandson making his first snowman. Nice
I
work.
love it. Well, you can
good.
send us your pictures to photos@WCCO.com.